Let's talk about Reddit. Let's start there. It feels as though this has been a bumpy path to an IPO for Reddit, and maybe a rather slow-moving one. Am I wrong about that?
Well, I mean, Reddit's gone through a lot of phases of its life. It's actually, as is probably well known, a pretty old company at this point. But it is a mainstay for communication and people talking about all sorts of random, very far-flung topics. It's very popular. So again, it's the question has always been it's a very old property and it's a great one. The question is how it's operated as a business, and it's gone through a lot of evolution over decades at this point, getting it to the point it's at today.
Has it ever made money?
You know, I actually don't know. I mean, made money means a lot of different things in tech, depending on how you look at it. It certainly has revenue. I don't actually know the answer on if it's profitable at this moment or not. But if it is, I wouldn't expect it's massively profitable, and I'd expect it loses money.
Why would it have taken, as you say, this is a mature property. It's been around a long time. It has a strong following. Why would they not have gone public sooner? And in retrospect, was that a mistake?
Well, I think it's gone through many phases of its life. I mean, like a lot of social media products that started when it did, I would argue it was marginally started even as a business versus as being a really cool thing that some young kids dreamed up to do on their own. It obviously went through its phase where it was owned by Condé, who owns obviously is still a very significant piece of it, and then respun back out when the business potential was seen and its growth potential was seen more formatively. Even then, I mean, the story was mostly about growth, monetization. You had people who are passionate about the community and the opportunity, and I would argue maybe historically a little bit ambivalent about it as a business platform and as a company. But at this point, look, it's undeniable, it's huge, it's culturally extremely relevant in terms of the niche communities that are built around it. What remains to be seen is whether it turns into a great financial company from a money-making perspective or a great community that sort of makes money.
Yeah, let's talk a little bit about the idea that what they're going to do is give some stock or give the opportunity to buy some stock to the people who are known as Redditors, who are, I guess, the custodians of the various sub-platforms on Reddit. Why would they do that?
You know, look, like a Wikipedia at an extreme, Reddit is a place where a lot of editors, people who curate these communities, have invested a lot of time and social capital over years building it. There's no question that the value of Reddit comes down not just to the software, which is reasonably rudimentary, if we're being honest, but to the communities that have been built there and the people who have built and have coordinated those. So they have a real emotional stake in it. There's a long history of Reddit struggling, engaging with those moderators and their beliefs versus the needs of the company. The idea that they should be dealt in a little bit to the IPO or have the opportunity is not crazy. You know, much like ideas that Uber had floated around dealing drivers in other platforms, I don't think it really matters very much in the big picture, but it's a nice gesture.
Got about 45 seconds to get your thoughts on TikTok.
TikTok is a national security risk and needs to be banned. Great format, great platform, love it as what they've done. They are revolutionaries and great, but it's pretty clear that they don't operate independently enough from the Chinese government, and it's pretty clear that it's a huge national security risk. So I'm happy to see the government trying to take action. Would
the sale of its operations to a U.S. buyer assuage your worries or not?
Yeah, I mean, if a U.S. buyer owned it and the tech was off, that would make a big difference. The reality is, I don't think that's going to happen, right? The Chinese have laws against selling it, and I don't think they have any interest in selling it. So I think, unfortunately, the ByteDance shareholder is going to get caught in the middle there.